Hey Ted, I just got home from work.
Hey.
What's on my flow?
I don't know.
What is on my flow?
I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is that? You. Get your lazy butt off this couch. Come in. Chores for lazy girl. 1. Wake up. 2. Fix couch. 3. Clean up your mess on the couch. 4. Stop being lazy. P.S. This will never happen. XX Lazy Girl. CZZ.
I don't know.
My children are a pain in the butt.
Don't say that loud.
This one knocked out, and this one can't get up off the couch. And it's something sitting on the steps. I don't know what it is.
It's coming down.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is like that creature from the Lord of the Rings.